Today's Saturday in North Carolina, and I really want to show you something, and it's right here. I'm sure that some of y'all have heard about Hurricane Matthew, which Hurricane Matthew is on his way to North Carolina. I just want y'all to see what it looks like. This is a video from space. It has been live since yesterday, I suppose. Yeah. Wait. I'm pretty sure it's been live since October 5th, which was not yesterday. You can see some of the other videos on the right, but I might put another one on. But I just wanted to show you what Hurricane Matthew, how big it is, and y'all can see the eye of the storm. Well, now that y'all seen that, let me find a video of what Hurricane Matthew did to some places. Not Katrina. Let's see if you can find a footage. So far, it's hit the Bahamas, so we'll watch this. Want to hear that?
Oh no, Bamu.
You watching that?
I'm watching Elysius.
Huh?
Elysius. Ow! That's gonna be the end of this video. I hope y'all have seen that. This thing is a monster. This is a huge monster. Bye.